Welcome children to our maths lecture where we are studying lesson number 14, algebraic expansion formulae, expansion of squares. Here we are studying how to expand a square that is binomial. We are expanding binomial. Practice set 50 we have completed, and in that we have used two formulas which I am writing on the board. Expansion formulas, they are a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus twice ab plus b square. Second expansion formula that we have studied is a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So this is the second expansion formula we have studied. Now third expansion formula says us that if a plus b is multiplied by a minus b, its expansion is a square minus b square. Okay. What are the conditions to be remembered? Both the binomials, first term and the second term, both must be exactly equal. Exactly equal means the letter should be same. The power of index must be also same. And if it is in numerator and denominator form, then that also should be equal. First term and the second term of both the brackets must be equal, and the sign must be opposite. That is, one bracket should carry plus sign, the other binomial should carry negative sign in between. One must be a positive binomial, another one must be a negative binomial. Now, if such is the condition, then the formula says the expansion is a square minus b square. So, now the practice set 51 that we are going to solve is based on this third expansion formula. So, I think all the three formulas you have written. So, we will begin with practice set 51. Now, before practice set 51, I gave you two sums as homework. Using expansion formula, find the values of. The first one was 102 square. Its answer you get as 10,404. That is 10404. This is your second answer. And third answer, the expansion was of 97 square. So 97 square you get answer as 9409. 9409. So these are the two answers of the homework that I gave you. Now we will begin with practice set 51. First sum. Here also children, I will be solving first and the last sum. Total 4 sums are there in question number 1. So first and the last sum I will solve. Second and third you have to do. First question is x plus y multiplied by x minus 1. Now you will tell children there is no multiplication sign here. In maths, when two brackets are there, that means you have to multiply the given terms or expressions. Okay. Now these are in the form of a plus b, a minus b. So you have to use this formula. Using formula a plus b bracket a multiplied by minus b equals a square minus b square. So instead of a and b, I will write x and y. So x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So this is your answer. The answer is x square minus y square. Here if minus sign is there in the first bracket and plus sign in the second bracket, then also there is no problem. You can solve it using the formula. Okay. Now we will go on to the fourth sum. Sum number 4. X upon 5 plus 6 bracket x upon 5 minus 6. This is your question. Okay. So same a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So using formula, same formula, third formula we will be using. A plus b bracket a minus b or multiplied by is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore x upon 5 plus 6 bracket x upon 5 minus 6 is equal to x upon 5. Now it is a fraction, children. Since it is a fraction, I will put the whole square. I will put the bracket and write square. If coefficient and variable both are there, suppose 3a, then 3a you have to put it in bracket and find the square of both the terms, minus 6 square. So here the answer will be x square, then 5 square. 5 square is how much? 25. 25 minus 6 square is 36. So this is the required answer. So x upon 5 plus 6 multiplied by x upon 5 minus 6 gives you answer x square upon 25 minus 36. Okay. So second and third will be homework. In the next lecture, I will give you the answer. Now see the second question. Use the formula to find the values. You have to find the values. Now here also 4 sums are there. I will do first and the fourth one. Second and third you have to do. Okay. Now second question, find the values. Same practice set. First question is find the value of 502 multiplied by 498. Now this is a simple multiplication of second and third standard students, right? But you are given this sum to solve in your 7th standard. Here you have to use the formula and then only you have to solve the sum. Now this two numbers you have to change it into two binomials. You have to convert it into two binomials. Now 502 is near to 500, right? So instead of 502, I will write 500 plus 2. What I will write? 500 plus 2 and put it in bracket. Okay. Multiplied by 498 is again near to 500. As I told you in the previous video lecture, to find the values, you should see that the given number should be to the near of some tens. So 500, it is all tens, all zeros comes and then only one digit, right? Now this becomes in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So we will be using formula. Using formula, the third formula, a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore 500 plus 2 multiplied by 500 minus 2 is equal to 500 square minus 2 square. Now 500 square, how I have taught you in the previous lecture, whatever number is there, write it square. The square of 5 is 25. So I will write 25 here. And how many zeros are there? 2. Double it. Double of 2 zeros is 4 zeros. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 zeros. Okay. Minus 2 square is 4. So you have to do the subtraction. This will be 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. This becomes 9. This also becomes 9. This one also becomes 9. And this becomes 4. And answer is 2,49,996. So therefore, see how quickly you got the answer instead of direct multiplication. 502 multiplied by 498 is equal to 2,49,996. This is the answer. So by using formula we have found the answer. Take down the sum. Very simple sum there. Now I will be doing the fourth one. Let us go on for the fourth sum. Second and third you will do as homework. Fourth sum. Find the values. 98 multiplied by 102. Again you have to convert these numbers into binomials. Now 98 is near 200. So I will convert these into 100 minus 2 multiplied by 102 is also near 200. So 100 plus 2. Now using formula, a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So therefore 100 minus 2 into 100 plus 2 is equal to 100 square minus 2 square. So 100 square 1 and then 4 zeros. That is 10,000 minus 2. So this gives us answer as 8, 9, 9, 9. 9,990. Sorry, 2 square is 4 children here. And so here it will be 6. Okay. So 2 square is 4. So answer is 9,996. So therefore 98 multiplied by 102 is equal to 9,996. Okay. So got the answer children? So second and third sum you will do as homework. In the next video lecture I will give you the answer. Do the sum. Be safe at home. Thank you.